Ice cream makers are expensive and take up space, but you can make restaurant-quality ice cream at home with just a whisk in your freezer. Here's how. Step 1. Pour 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into a large bowl. These 2 ingredients are all you need for the base. Step 2. Whisk vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes until stiff peaks form. The mixture should look thick and fluffy like whipped cream. Don't skip this step. The air is what creates the creamy texture. Step 3. Fold in your flavoring: vanilla extract, cocoa powder, crushed cookies, or fruit puree. Use about 1 teaspoon of extract or half a cup of mix-ins per batch. Step 4. Transfer to a loaf pan or freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight. Scoop and serve straight from the freezer. It's ready to eat. Pro tip: if your ice cream gets too hard, let it sit at room temperature for 5 minutes before scooping. It'll be perfectly creamy. What's your favorite flavor to add? Drop it in the comments. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.